Welcome back to Huson DIY. My name's Matilda.
My name's Oliver.
And today we'll be showing you around our holiday house.
This is our driveway and this is our table tennis table.
And we've got a little seating area here. There's another one under here.
We need to go up this path to go to the pool area.
These are our sun lounges to sunbathe.
This is our cabana bed where we chill. There's a lovely view from our pool area.
This is our pool and we've got our cover over it to keep it warm.
Up some more stairs to go inside.
This is the kitchen area where we cook.
There's an upstairs bathroom.
I'm going to go downstairs to the bedrooms. These are the bedrooms and we'll go in the master bedroom first. This is the downstairs bathroom. Next into the second bedroom. We are going outside to a jacuzzi area. Let's go. This is the jacuzzi area where you have the amazing view. We're going back upstairs to another indoor area. This is the sunroom where you can chill and there is more amazing views.